given to the collection of things. Collective nouns are names of the persons, animals or things which are taken as a group or as a unit. Collective nouns are mostly countable nouns or common nouns. I have some examples for you. People, a crew of sailors. Crew represents the group of sailors. A band of musicians. For animals, herd of cattle, a flock of bears, etc. For things, a cluster of stars, bunch of keys, etc. Collective nouns are mostly in singular form, but it comes in plural form too. Some nouns have more than one collective noun. Example, for fish, a school of fish, a shoal of fish. For bee, a swarm of bees, a hive of bees. For birds, a flock of birds, a flight of birds. Now, I'll tell you some rules for collective nouns. Collective nouns are countable nouns. Collective nouns are not uncountable nouns or mass nouns. Remember, collective nouns are mostly common nouns, but when they come in company names like Microsoft, etc., we use proper nouns. For only those words you use proper nouns. Collective nouns are usually followed by the word of. See, the leap of leopards, then followed by the noun, the leap of leopards, the litter of puppies, a swarm of bees, etc. Collective nouns are followed by singular form of the verb when the group does the same actions. A herd of elephants is walking. But when we say the class of students are doing their homework, it comes in plural form of the verb. Do you remember the rules?